Classic Greek salad recipe for a taste of Greece. Greek salad, or Horiatiki, is a quintessential dish that encapsulates the fresh and vibrant flavors of Greece. This classic recipe is simple to prepare, yet it boasts a complex flavor profile that is both refreshing and satisfying. Ideal for a light meal or a delightful side dish, this recipe serves 4 people. Ingredients: 4 medium tomatoes, ripe and cut into wedges. 1 cucumber, peeled, halved, and sliced. 1 red onion, thinly sliced. 1 green bell pepper, sliced into rings. 200 grams, 7 ounces, feta cheese, cut into cubes or large crumbles. 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, Kalamata olives, pitted. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1 teaspoon dried thyme, optional. Sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. 60 milliliters, 1/4 cup, extra virgin olive oil. 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar. Instructions. Preparation of vegetables. Begin by washing all the vegetables thoroughly. Cut the tomatoes into wedges, ensuring they retain their juice. Peel and slice the cucumber in half lengthwise, then cut into thin slices. Thinly slice the red onion and cut the green bell pepper into rings. Each vegetable should be prepared to showcase its natural flavor and texture. Assembling the salad. In a large salad bowl, combine the tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and green bell pepper. Add the Kalamata olives, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the salad. Adding the cheese. Carefully place the feta cheese on top of the mixed vegetables. Feta can be added as large crumbles or cubes, depending on your preference. This cheese is a staple in Greek cuisine and provides a creamy, tangy contrast to the fresh vegetables. Seasoning. Sprinkle the salad with dried oregano and, if desired, dried thyme. These herbs are essential for capturing the authentic taste of Greek salad. Season with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance the natural flavors of the ingredients. Dressing. Drizzle the extra virgin olive oil and red wine vinegar over the salad. Use a high-quality olive oil, as it significantly influences the overall taste. The red wine vinegar adds a subtle acidity that balances the richness of the olive oil and feta. Tossing the salad. Gently toss the salad to combine all ingredients, ensuring the dressing coats every piece. Be careful not to break the feta cheese into smaller pieces during this process. Serving. Serve the Greek salad immediately to enjoy its freshness. This dish can be enjoyed on its own or paired with grilled meats, seafood, or crusty bread. Tips for the perfect Greek salad. Choose ripe, firm tomatoes for the best flavor and texture. Use authentic Greek feta cheese made from sheep's milk for a true taste of Greece. Do not overmix the salad to maintain the integrity of the vegetables and cheese. Allow the salad to sit for a few minutes after tossing to let the flavors meld together. This classic Greek salad recipe is a celebration of simplicity and quality ingredients. By following these steps, you can bring the flavors of the Mediterranean to your table, delighting your senses with each bite. For more authentic recipes and culinary tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel and explore the rich world of Greek cuisine.